Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about the check load configurations in Sap Fico. So before going to this video, kindly view my previous video. So that is the banking configuration. So if you configure that video, then only you can process into this video. So we will go into this video. So these are the T codes available with the check loads. So you can easily remember it. The first T code is FCHI. Then the remaining are FCH 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So the main thing is this one FCHI because this is the first step for creating the check lot. So in this video we will discuss all these steps. So let me go into the configuration. First step is FCHI. Okay, I just enter my payment company code, host bank and account ID. Just click on enter. It is just click on this pencil symbol. So just leave this first entry. I have created the I recorded the video, but unfortunately that video is ended up with some technical problem. So I am again recording this video. So no problem. Just you assign this check lot number is not available. Let me create a new check lot number. So just click on create. So this is my second check lot number, that is 2, and this check lot number starts with 1001 and ends with 11000. So the first number of this check lot number 2 is first check 1001. So begin this, just make a tick here. Check the format of the check numbers. I think it is too long. Okay, let me have some small digit number. Okay, it says the check lot number. May I get 2? Oh, it is not. 002. It is not. So you can see I have given in simple words, simple terms. So the first check lot number starts with the check number 1 and ends with 1000. But the second check lot number starts with 1001 and it ends with let me have some greater number. Okay, it have 100 numbers in it. So let me save this check lot number. Check numbers have been saved. Okay, now let me post an invoice. Then we will make payment for that invoice. T code is FB60. Let me enter the invoice number, so vendor number. Okay, the tax code has been defaulted. So the main thing I have to take into consideration is the payment method. So I'm going to pay this by check. So I just enter here the payment method is check. It is very important so that this invoice will be paid by means of check. So similarly, the other things. Okay, the tax is calculated. Let me post this invoice. Okay, the main thing is I have to make this invoice the payment method check. Okay, the document 105 is posted. So let me make the payment for this. The T code is F-58. So the amount is 1000. Value date, currency, vendor. Just click on process open item. So I have a lot of open item invoices with this vendor. Let me deselect all the previous posted invoices. I just want to make the payment for the invoice 105. Okay, you can see that the last document number is 105. So this document only we have posted just now. So, sorry, this invoice only we have posted just now. So you can see that this number appears here. So the amount entered is 1000 and the assigned is 1000. Let me save it so that the payment is made. The document is 205. So it responds to the output device. Let me go with the LP01 so that the print activity will be generated. So the print job was generated. So it is not important now. Let me show the payment document. That is 205. Okay, let me enter into this environment, check information. You can see that the no check information was found. So let me create the check and assign it to the this payment document. So let me do it. So the T code to do it was FCH5. There is a create check information, and we can change it by the T code FCH6. So let me do it. The T code is FCH5. Let me create the information of the check. So you can see the payment document number is already defaulted. The check number is 1001, our first check in the check lot number 2. I'm not using the check lot number 1. Just click on enter. So you can see that the information is available here. Let me save this. So the check in the company code BRP with the house bank HBD. The first check was created manually. You can see here. So let me display it. Okay, I've created the check for the payment for the payment. So let me display it in FB03. This is the payment document. Environment, check information. You can direct to this page, and you can check the check recipient, check issuer details by selecting this. Yeah, and also the accompanying documents. You can see that the document 105 is the invoice, 205 is the payment, and we have assigned the check to this payment 205. So we have done the payment using the check, and now what we are going to do is we will study what is the difference between these void check and cancel check. So the void check, void issued check, this T code you can see here in the screen FCH9. So what is mean by void and cancel? So if I cancel the check, the payment also will be get reversed. But if I void the check, the check will be the check only will be cancelled and not the payment. So that is the main difference between the void and cancel the check. And you can go with this T code reprint check. It is usual. You can also configure it. But I want to show the difference between these two in this video. So first I will void the check FCH9. Let me go with the T code FCH9. I'm going to void the check. Check number 1001. Okay, the reason it asks for the void reason. Let me have okay, reverse check. No. Let me say because the reason is destroyed. Just click on enter. Okay, you just click on void the check. You can see the message, the check void, check 1001 is voided. The payment document was not reversed. You can see the payment is not reversed. Okay, so that is the purpose of voiding the check. But the check will be voided. Let me show you the FB03. Let me show the payment document will not be get reversed. But let me show the check information. So this check information, check number, voided. You can see the void reason code is displayed here. The check is only voided and not the payment. The payment is as it is. Let me show it in FBL 1N itself. It will not appear in the open item of the thing. You can see the document number. It will appear only in the cleared item only, not in the open item. You can see the 105 document. You can see that the document. The document is cleared and not in the open item of the report. So I have performed the void check. So let me post the cancel check. So I cannot perform the same in this check. I will post a new check and I will cancel. So let me post a new invoice, FB60. Let me have some different amount so that it won't be confused. Main thing, the payment method you have to define. It is very important, and without this you cannot make the payment by bank. Okay, let me save it. The document 106 is posted. Let me post the payment for this. The amount is 500. The value date, currency, process open item. So I have posted many of the invoices. I have not made any payment for those things. Just deselecting all the line items. Okay, you can see that the document 106 is ready for payment. The amount entered is 500 and the assigned is also 500. Let me save it so that the payment document was posted. Okay, let me assign the check also. Let me do the output device so that the print job also generated. So let me go with the assigning the check FCH5, the second check number 1002. Okay, I'm just saving this. The check 1002 was created manually for the payment. Okay, let me check it. FB03 environment check information. So this check is issued, the check number 1002. So now let me make a cancel check for this. The T code is FCH8. Let me do it. FCH8. So the check number 1002 and void reason. Okay, let me go with the reverse check payment. Okay, you need to enter the reversal reason. Okay, I will just enter this reversal and current period. Okay, the posting date, it's today's date, 5/5/2021. The period it will default. Okay, I just click on a cancel payment. You can see that the payment for check was cancelled and the reverse document is posted. You can see here. So when I voided the check, there is no reverse document will be posted. But when I cancel the check payment, you can see that the reverse document is posted. So I can also see the reverse document. Okay, 703. Let me show it in FB03. Okay, this is the reversal document. So reversal document. Clicking on a reversal document. Central ledger view. no, let me show in FBL 1N report. Open item. So you can see that the invoice is now open item because I have cancelled the check. You can see that let me double click on it. 106 document, other document. Okay, this is the invoice we have posted. Environment check information. So there is no check information also because we have cancelled the check. Okay, I think I have covered all these things. Now you can now you know the difference between the void and the cancel check and how we can use it in SAP configurations. And you can check this reprint check. So we have also seen this. Okay, the void check and this FCH3, that is void check not used. Let me show this. The T code FCH3 void checks not used. So we have voided a check. Let me display it. You can display it from here also. Otherwise, this T code, that is FCH3, will this T code will void the check that you want to void. So what are the check you want to void? You can use this T code to void the checks. So similarly, the next, this FCH1 will display the check information. As we know that FCH1. Okay, let me check for the first. So like this, we can have the check lot configurations. So I hope this video will be useful to you. So thank you friends for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to my videos. We will see you in the next video. Thank you.